Alright, so this is my video explaining how to solve the following cubic while using synthetic division. So first off, I'm going to start by using the zero theorem to find one root or zero of this polynomial. So I'm going to start with 1. And when I plug 1 into this polynomial, the resulting answer does not give me a 0, so I know that it is not a factor of this polynomial. So now I'm going to go with like the second easiest option, which is -1, and see if that works for me. And that did give me 0, so I know that -1 is a factor of this polynomial. So I'm going to go ahead and do the synthetic division with x equaling -1. So I start out by drawing this thing, and then I write all the prefixes of all the numbers, or coefficients, I guess. Coefficients of all the numbers up on top. And then I take the one right down here, and then I multiply -1 by +1, and then we'll write it right here. So -1 times +1 is going to give me 1. And then I add 1, or -1, sorry. And then I add 1 and -6 together, that's going to give me 5. And then when I take -1 and multiply that by 5, I get -5, so I'm going to put that right under the 11. And when I add together 11 and -5, that's going to give me 6. And when I multiply -1 and 6 together, that is going to give me -6, and 6 plus -6 equals 0. From there on, I know that 1, 5, and 6 are the coefficients of my new polynomial, so I'm going to write that out. So I wrote my new polynomial right there. And now from there on, it's really easy to just use the spinning method and factor it out, which I'm going to do really quickly. So when I factor it out, I get x plus 3 and x plus 2. So now I know that my factors of this polynomial are, or my x-intercepts, I guess, are x equals 3, or -3, sorry, x equals -3, x equals -2, and x equals -1, which I found at the start. And my x-intercepts would be at -3, 0, -2, 0, and -1, 0. And yeah, that is how I factored that using synthetic division.